first step is take a little bit of ice cream and fill your container up with ice cream, but not too much ice cream because you need a little bit more room for orange juice. So the next step is to fill the rest of your molds with orange juice.